Welcome back to Power Virtualization Basics. In this session, we're going to talk about creating topics, create topics from an existing web page. So how this works is you provide a link to a frequently asked question page, and then what will happen is Microsoft AI, Microsoft will ingest those Q&As, and it will use various methods of artificial intelligence to work out what topics there should be for that particular for those FAQs. And it's a good starting point. I would never say you can't just point at the FAQ and then that's it, the bot's built, but they certainly will give you good topic suggestions. They'll give you the initial conversation framework, certainly something to build on top of. So we're going to kick straight into the lab here. Now in the lab documentation, a couple of gotchas here. So this is the lab to go through. So again, I highly recommend reading these things and then going into here. So when you go into suggest topic, we're going to put this page in here. So let's have a look at that page. So this is just a demo with some frequently asked questions on it. If you so wish, once you've done the lab, do this lab so that you've got the knowledge from this. But what I like doing sometimes is just finding an FAQ page and just pointing PVA at that and see what happens. Mixed results. Sometimes it's great, sometimes it's okay, sometimes it's meh, depending on the layout of the FAQ site. This one here is obviously quite friendly, but it's good to review that and have a look at it. I'm just going to grab that URL, so I'm going to show you something else. Yeah, so I won't go any more on that. The lab is pretty good from there on. One minor gotcha here is when you go to add the topic, so suggest topics, link to online content, when you paste in the link, just be wary that it will copy in the HTTPS again, so you need to delete that. And there's like a weird space there that looks like there's a space, there isn't, but just acknowledge that. Click on add and then it will go off. And if there's an error, I think it tells you here if there's an error. Let's just no, it doesn't, which is good, right? So yeah, just make sure that you do that. Make sure it looks something like that, and then click on start, and then it will get suggestion. It may take a few minutes. So that is building topics from existing web pages. So follow the document. Again, if you need support, we're here for you. Just click on the support bubble below. See you in the next session.